Sulit dahil sa baba ng presyo at mas pinababa pa ngayong Vermonts with our 300 to 600,000 discount. Kaya naman, kung target mo rin magkaroon ng sariling bahay this year, baka ito na ang sign mo. So, keep on watching. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another affordable home tour. And this is our Jasmine Townhouse Expanded. At ito ngayong townhouse na sa sobrang spacious, sulit na sulit ang ibabayad mo. Lot area ay nasa 71 to 81 square meters at may 78 square meters ka na rin na floor area. And maniniwala ka ba na 12,000 na lang ang monthly down payment mo for this unit? Kaya naman, isa to sa pinakamabenta naming townhouse ngayon at ngayon naglabas pa sila ng discount ng 300 to 600,000. Basic finish pala ang turnover nito, kaya naman mako-customize mo talaga ang interior ng property upon turnover sa'yo, which most of our clients yun talagang nagugustuhan para hindi na double expense during the renovation. And the good thing, available to sa aming Dasma and General Tria site, so may option ka na pwedeng pagpilian. Ang layout ng bahay, may provision ka na for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, a carport, surface area na pwede mong i-expand upon turnover. Sa Pag-ibig, nasa 18,000 lang monthly amortization and required income ay 54,000 a month at pwede ka mag-co-borrower. So, paano? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller messages in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!